And the other solve Leetcode 98, validate binary tree. And I'm going rules for binary tree no so I say right. Left subtree node contains only nodes that are less than the node key, right? And our right now so greater than. Of a binary tree it is a 2, 1, and a 3, right? All the right side should be greater than key node no be a root node no, and a left side no so I say less than, right? Sana ya check what I say, right? Into for node be as a function node way the maximum, right? Say corner say something less than this one, right? And the minimum I say corner minimum no dey betuma kwa akosi negative infinity. So we so for node way betuma kwa akosi positive infinity, right? The maximum betuma corner, but the minimum I betuma corner should be less than this one, right? Less than a solo say, right? Inti the minimum no say away. Inti the same thing, right? So for 5, no for 1, no for 4, no for 3, no for 6, right? Second example no 5 way there minimum you start with negative infinity, right? Max positive infinity, right? Into your bad down way in the left no we say no maximum will be to mark yes maybe a 4, right? And our maximum will be to mark cry a 5, right? You best set the max limit no I say here be to mark but a none of crana a true, right? Into that's true, but I say no, right? Minimum will be to mark cry a 5 now so a 4 into your my way a wrong, right? Into basically example we are no your minimum and upper your minimum and upper reference value I will say satisfy, right? Into yamfa 2 nibu, right? Max positive infinity negative infinity a minimum, right? Way the max no a bit to mark on a 2 in yaba say into a far node 1 node dot left no node ne left no maximum bit to mark a node value way, right? And a node no the right side no so minimum bit to mark ASR node value way. Into no you bit me use recursion, right? A year way I never be able to never be able to side recursion like a set up function be ever calling itself repeatedly until say I be drew hand say no to say thing be I can say I say no now and I say no see now, right? I say see now and I say see now until now they are true a satisfied condition, right? Into the young share the way to my solver. See, first of all, a set a function, right? And friend validates into node near the ratio, you set it low. It will equal to negative infinity, right? Yeah, high and also equal to positive infinity. Okay. If not node return true, right? If node dot value a less than or equal to low limit near set yamano or node dot val node value no a greater or equal to high na I set yaman return false, alright? Into we are near return you be free function to do the same thing for node dot left, right? Into you validate node dot left no. And I say left no. The maximum limit I be to my corner. Left side with maximum be to my corner. Your friend say ne parent node no, right? Until be 2, the maximum will be to my corner. Low need be to my corner lower to negative infinity, right? Until low no, be maintain low now, but high need there where node dot val, right? Now it's invalidated for the right node. Node dot right. Lowest a bit to my corner way, right? Lowest a bit to my corner a2, which is a node dot val, the parent node no, it's a node dot val, right? And a highest a bit to my corner a bit to my corner infinity, right? And also no high positive infinity. No, basically recursive function way, and now the rest solve would be validated. But here we are. The next thing I was here, you have say you return it validates for root node, right? Do you say this is how I solve for validate binary tree? Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. My wife. Bye.